morning. Hi, I'm Darlene and welcome to Super at 60. Welcome to my home and welcome to my kitchen this morning. We are going to make snow ice cream. Yep, snow ice cream for a cozy winter day. We got more fresh snow last night, and you know what I did? If you want to make snow ice cream, you first have to make sure that you have snow. But you have to make sure that it's clean snow. So you have to give some thought as to where you might be harvesting your snow from. Don't get it ever off of any tree branches, particularly pine. Try not to get it, well, you'll be getting it off the ground, but just make sure it's in a clean, pure spot. Make sure that there's been no prints around it, either human footprints or animal footprints. And don't dig too deep. Okay, just try to get as much surface snow as you can. And one more thing to be cautious about are icicles that may have formed on top, any ice crystals or anything. Just skim them off and then you're good to go. What I do, and what I did last night, I knew that we were calling for snow. And so I got 2 of my largest kitchen bowls and I put them out on my deck and I just said good night. I got up this morning and sure enough, we had snow. I'm looking out there, it must be another 4 or 5 inches of snow on top of what we got earlier in the week. Anyway, my bowls were full to overflowing. That's how you just want to make sure you get your snow. You harvest your snow. So I have another big old kitchen bowl, and this is the bowl that I'm going to make it in this morning. It's very easy to make. All you need is a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and some really mighty fine vanilla. And you want to use the best vanilla that you possibly can. Don't even think about using imitation vanilla because you're not going to get the desired taste out of that. I mean, go ahead and you can give it a try and maybe it will be fine for you, but it's just a little heads up that I'm giving you. It doesn't have to be homemade like mine is, but imitation vanilla is probably not gonna work too well. So make sure you use real pure vanilla. Or if you don't have pure vanilla, maybe you have another extract you want to use, maybe some almond. If you love almond extract, you either love it or you hate it. It seems like I happen to love it, and make some almond ice cream or lemon ice cream or orange flavored ice cream. Or if you have some imitation rum extract, you can use that as well. So just make sure it's pure extract. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, this snow is beautiful. It's so light and fluffy. It's so nice and fluffy. It's like a big old bowl of powdered sugar. It's got that same kind of consistency. All right, here we go. I think I'm gonna kind of start with maybe 10 cups. Oh my goodness. It's really beautiful. Pack it down. Maybe I can just scoop it out. All right, that 10 cups was almost, well, it was like the full pot here. It really was. Now I didn't do it, you know how you measure flour, you kind of level it off. That's not how I did it. It's kind of hard to measure snow. It truly is. All right, here is our 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm gonna just pour little bits at a time. Just pour it right over the snow, about half the can. All right, and then a good teaspoon, probably a little more later, just kind of sprinkle it over the snow, just like that. Leave your vanilla handy, leave everything handy, because it's all by taste. All right, and you just start gently mixing. You can use a whisk if you'd prefer. I like this big spoon, kind of works. That smells good. I'm starting to smell ice cream. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna get my whisk. I want to get rid of some of those lumps in there. It smells so good. I'm gonna give it a taste because I want to make sure that it's got enough vanilla and that it's sweet enough. And I've got another bowl out on the back porch full of snow. So if I want more, I can go out there and get a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to taste just a little bit of it. Oh. It's like perfect. Just perfect. Oh my goodness. All right, that's about 10 cups worth of snow ice cream. And it was 1 teaspoon exactly of good vanilla. It's nice and creamy. Look at that. It looks like you just opened the top off a carton. Well, I hope you enjoy it as much as we will. That is absolutely delicious. And yes, fresh, really good vanilla is the secret. And if you want to know how to store it, I put it in a little plastic container. Looks just like what you buy from the store. Just put your top on, just like that. And that's about what 10 cups makes, really. It's about enough for 2, maybe 3. So that's why I got 2 bowls collected of snow, and that's why you might want to think about doing that too, if you have a bigger family. All right, well, that's how it's going to go in my freezer, and we are going to enjoy our vanilla snow ice cream. Bye now. Lord bless.